Once again, welcome back to LOT. I'm back to share my today's trades in Euro USD. As you can see, today I currently didn't have any levels and any trades. And now let's move to GBP USD. In GBP USD, you can see that I have already executed a trade. I will show you the levels. So this was my level on 15 minute after breaking the Asian session high. The market came down and this was my confirmation. I'll show you. This 5-minute engulfing candle was my confirmation. Took the entry from here. It was after the news. There was a news at the time. Time. Okay. The news was at almost 2 p.m. After the news, I took the entry. The market went a little upwards and then collected my SL and went directly downwards. And in gold currently, this was my level. The market came and touched the levels, and this candle was my confirmation, and I took an entry from here, and I almost got an 1:4.14 RR in this trade. And next is GR40. In GR40 also I had a level in 15 minute. This was the level after taking the Asian session high. The market came down over there, and I will show you my confirmation. This candle was my confirmation, and while I executed the trade, market went a bit high, so I got an entry from here, and this gave me a 1:1.5 risk reward. I exited here at this high. Otherwise, it would have also got me a 1:2 RR. Okay, and I have also took a trade today in USD JPY. I also had a similar level in 15 minute here when the market came here, and let me show you. This candle was my confirmation. After this, I got the entry straight from here. The market came down and went up collecting my SLs. So this was my today's trades. See you in next day with other trades.